juicy and yummy watermelon? Today, we are going to draw a super easy watermelon slice.
Yay!
Grab your black marker and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a straight horizontal line. Now, draw a big curved line under it to make a D shape. Great! That's our watermelon slice. Now draw another curved line inside the shape. This will make the rind of the watermelon. Now, let's draw some small seeds inside. Just make tiny oval or drop shapes. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens and let's begin. Bottle green color.
Wow!
Green color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Brown color. Red color. Wow, the watermelon looks so fresh and tasty. Well done, little artists. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you in the next video.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.